Face.
Big arms.
Like he's in a concert.
Whoa, cool.
What is that?
Hold on, don't pull.
Turn it over.
It's Woody.
Woody.
Is it Woody? Are you sure? Yeah. Who's that from?
It's for me.
No.
But who bought it for you?
Look at the tag.
Mimi bought it for you.
Oh,
That's from-
me.
Oh,
From
no, but
me.
I would have got that. Didn't even ask me.
You're welcome.
What?
Mimi.
That is good.
Hey, Mama, you open one. Oh, that's my.
That was going to be
Look
good.
at Susie. Take picture of her in front of us. Candy, I'm sorry. Well, he's not mine.
Where's my other present?
Well, wait. Look at what Mimi has. Mimi gets to open one.
Susie.
Hey, watch what Mimi's opening then.
Susie.
This is my other one.
I thought we'd each one open one and then we'll just start opening.